Owen Mudanove, a prominent ZANU-PF hardliner in the Minister of State for Vigilance Province, his family declared that President Emerson Mnangagwa is not going anywhere. Sana pana mashoko ashamisa vanhu zvatiri kuona nema-attacks ari kuuya achibva kuma-war veteran pamwe the military. Mudanove anozikamwa kuti he is a front runner with the 2030 agenda. Wabuda achitaura mashoko achiti aiwa ipi Mnangagwa hapana kwaari kuenda. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipping using another achiti. Speaking at a party event in the Midlands province earlier this week, Muda emphasized that ZANU-PF's resolution, including those passed at the party's conference, would be fully implemented. Muda strongly reinforced the party's stance, saying all 10 provinces of the ruling ZANU-PF have endorsed resolution number 1, which states that the president will remain in office until 2030. Let me say it boldly. The president is not going anywhere. Muda also lashed out at outspoken co-veteran Blessed Geza, accusing him of being a sellout. Geza has been vocal in exposing alleged corruption, looting with Mnangagwa's administration, as a way of challenging the president's actions regarding constitutional violations. Domashwa Buda panapationa kuti aiwa wakuna anabuda Mudanove waramba kuomesa musoro vachiti aiwa hapana kwavari kuenda at this critical point patiri kuona kuti aiwa kunoona Geza the issuing ma-attacks achiudza kuti vakomana mukaramba makadzvanya ne2030 agenda yenyu we are counting 2 days murichaona action ichaitika. Mashoko panapa ari kuonekwa nevanhu panapa vanogeza vachiti aiwa we're going to roll out another pressure yatoda kunyatswa kuadressa kuti vakomana ava they must go, and now vakomana vanga acta as if vakaramba vakarumira on power, but vari kunototi aiwa matables they are turning. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mina comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.